So the crazy feature of FreeShow is that it allows you to import any kind of software show that's been previously used for presentation. So when you press on Control I and this information pops up, you can actually see that you can import even a clipboard, even your Control V or something that you copied. So you can put a project or even PDF or PowerPoint, be it a slide, be it a PDF online, and you can even bring in a text file, a .txt file, .cvs, CSV file, Code Pro, Easy Worship, Pro Presenter, Word. So you can bring in any production, maybe from a software you've already done. It made it very easier for you to work with those software. So if you have any Pro Presenter file that you want to bring in, maybe a song that you've already done in Pro Presenter that I've imported, all the songs that I've done before, all the songs that I've done before in the corridor. Just saw them, just import them now, and I'd put them. And this is a hymn I once typed. Give me a double portion, and it is the same way that I added it in Representer. So later you can now edit it to make sure that everything is visible. Everything. So that is how to do it. The importing. You've just upgraded your production skill. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.